Welcome again. In this lecture, I am going to explore what is the role of lemmatization in NLP, what are differences between stemming and lemmatization, Python implementation of lemmatization. Before dive right into the agenda of lemmatization, let's see what's the difference between lemmatization and stemming here. In this diagram, you can see that several words are stemmed here. Changed, changing, and other keywords changed, changes, changed, and changed. But here we have seen the words like changing, changes, changed are different, lemmatized into changed here. So changed on the left hand side is just a different meaning. This change is proper meaning which is included in the dictionary as well. Also, we can see the different words of stemming and lemmatization here as well. Where stemming removes the last few characters of a word, lemmatization stems the word to a more meaningful base form and ensures it does not lose its meaning. Lemmatization works more intelligently, referencing a predefined dictionary containing the context of words, using this when diminishing the word of base form. So, what is lemmatization? It is a text pre-processing technique used in NLP model to break a word down to its root meaning to identity similarities. For example, a lemmatization algorithm would reduce the word better to its root word or lemma good. Lemmatization aims to put dictionary based formats. It requires more morphological analysis than stemming here. Let's see what kind of operations we are going to perform here. Python implementation says first I'm going to define few lists. Those are consisting similar kind of words in their set. So I'm creating connect tokens, learn tokens, and like tokens with similar kind of words here. As we have seen stemming, let's revise again stemming. I'm just importing porter stemmer, which is a kind of stemming kind of algorithm, stemming algorithm to perform stemming operation. I'm going to create a stemmer object and implementing the same for loop for my connect tokens and then learn tokens and then my likes token. Here you can see words is defined into words, which is illogical word, and learners are defined into learner and learner, which is not again a proper keyword. They are just chopping the word here. Now let's see how we can perform the lemmatization here. So first I need to import NLTK library. From this NLTK.download, I am going to import this word net here. Using this word net, I am going to import from NLTK.stem. I am going to import some word net lemmatizer, which we will be using for lemmatization. I'm going to copy this keyword courtesy. I'll be creating an object here. Okay, so now let's create a keyword as we created an object which as we created in stemming. So I'm going to use our lemmatizer equals to word net lemmatization and object. Okay, now I'm going to deploy for loop. I'm having ready this code here. So using this for loop, I'm just creating this lemmatization here. It's taking time because it's just connecting everything. Can you see it just not literally chopped every word, rather it's just creating proper dictionary format. Let's run this learn tokens using the same object lemmatization. I'm just obtaining the relevant dictionary format. Let's deploy the same keyword over the likes token as well. So I'm going to deploy the same object, same lemmatization algorithm for my like. Can you see? Now it's showing worse and better. Previously it was showing only WORS, which was incorrect sentence or might have some other meanings. So this will walk you through the pre-processing text of any other algorithm which we will be using in upcoming session. Thank you so much. Keep watching, keep learning again.